Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Today I am discussing about Maths topic which is integers 7th class. Okay. In my previous videos I have explained some problems on integers. Now in this class also I am explaining some problems. Okay. Here in a test, 5 marks are given for every correct answer. Okay, for each and every answer, if student will give correct answer means then he will get 5 marks for each and every question. Okay, and -2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. If he will give wrong answer means he will get -2 marks. Means if he gave some 2 wrong answers means -4 will be deducted from his marks. If 4 correct answers means 20 marks will be allocated. Okay. In that first question, Ramu answered all the questions and scored 30 marks through 10 correct answers. Okay. Here we don't know how many questions are there. We don't know that. But he scored 30 marks. Finally, he got some 30 marks through he gave 10 correct answers. Okay, we don't know about wrong answers. Only two things here they have given. One thing is 30 marks, Ramu got 30 marks and he gave 10 correct answers. We don't know about the wrong answers. Here we need to check how many wrong answers Ramu gave. Okay. And second question, Raju also answered all the questions and scored -12 marks. Okay, Raju also answered all the questions. We don't know about the number of questions. He also finished all his questions. Okay, and scored -12 marks means he scored less than 0. Okay, he gave some right answers and he gave some wrong answers also. Maybe in his case he gave more wrong answers than right answers. That's why he scored negative answers. Okay, means through 4 correct answers. Okay, here he has given 4 correct answers. Okay, 4 correct answers he gave, then also he got negative marks because maybe he gave more wrong answers. That's why he got negative marks more. Okay, how many incorrect answers had both Ramu and Raju attempted? Here we need to check how many wrong answers given by Ramu and how many wrong answers given by Raju. Okay, Ramu, this is first question. Okay, first we will check how many wrong answers given by Ramu. Okay. Okay, Ramu has given 10 correct answers. Okay, 10 correct answers and he scored 30 marks. Only these two things only we know. First one is Ramu given 10 correct answers and he scored 30 marks. We don't know about how many wrong answers he gave. Okay, we need to check. We need to find out how many wrong answers given by Ramu. Okay, marks given for one correct answer. This thing we know. In the question itself they have given marks given by one correct answer. In a test 5 marks are given for every correct answer. So marks given for one correct answer is 5. Okay, so marks given for 10 correct answers. Okay, for one correct answer he got 5 marks. If 10 correct answers means obviously 5 into 10 which is equal to 50 marks. So here Ramu got 50 marks. Okay, here he got 50 marks, but final score is he got 30 marks. Here they have given 30 marks. Ramu answered all the questions and scored 30 marks. Okay, through 10 correct answers. So his final score is 30 here. Okay, his final score is 30. Okay, but we don't know how many wrong answers he gave. Now we need to check the wrong answers. Okay, marks obtained for incorrect answers. Here his final score is 30, but he got 50 marks through correct answers. So how many wrong answers, how many marks he got from wrong answers is 50 minus 30. Marks obtained for incorrect answers are 30 minus 50 which is equal to -20. Okay, marks given for one incorrect answer is -2. Okay, marks given for one incorrect answer is -2. This also they have given in the question itself, every correct answer, and -2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Here -2 marks for incorrect answer. Therefore the number of incorrect answers are, here he got marks through incorrect answers are -20. Okay, for one incorrect answer they have given -2 marks. If how many, here we need to check how many incorrect answers he gave, Ramu gave. Okay, therefore the number of incorrect answers equal to number of marks he got through incorrect answers divided by marks given for one incorrect answer, which is -2. So answer will be 10. Here number of incorrect answers by Ramu are 10 marks. Okay, hope it's clear. Now we will go to second problem. Second bit, we will go to second bit. Here this is the second bit. Raju also answered all the questions and scored -12, means through 4 correct answers. How many incorrect answers had both the Ramu and Raju attempted? Ramu we have finished. Now we need to check Raju. In his case he got -12 marks and he got -12 marks and he gave only 4 correct answers. So we need to check how many wrong answers. He gave more than 4. That one is clear because he got negative marks. Okay. Now we will start the second bit. Marks. Marks given for 4 incorrect answers are, marks given for 4 incorrect, 4 correct answers. Okay, this is not incorrect. Marks given for 4 correct answers are 20 marks here. Okay, and Raju's score is -20, we know. Marks given for incorrect answers are -12 and -20. Okay, marks given for 4 incorrect answers are 5 into 4, which is equal to 4 correct answers. 5 into 4 equal to 20 here. Raju's score is -12. So marks given for 4 incorrect answers are -12 plus -20, which is equal to -32. Okay, marks given for 1 incorrect answer is -12. Therefore number of incorrect answers are -32 by -12, which is equal to 16. So total incorrect answers by Raju is 16 incorrect answers he gave. Okay, marks given for 4 correct answers are 5 into 4, which is equal to 20, and Raju's score is -12. Marks given for incorrect answers are -12 -20, which is equal to -32. Marks given for 1 incorrect answer is -2. Therefore number of incorrect answers are -32 by -2, which is equal to 16. So total incorrect answers by Raju are 16. Okay, hope it's clear. In my coming videos I will explain about some other problems on integers. Okay, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Thank you very much. Bye.